Here is a wonderful 2020 Kia Sorento. This vehicle still has fewer than 60,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This versatile Sorento has what your family needs to get the most out of every journey. Available in all-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, this mid-size 3-row crossover has earned its reputation for prioritizing safety, passenger comfort, cargo capacity, and connectivity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, third-row seat, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, stability control, intermittent wipers, floor mats. Feel energized every time you take the wheel of this handsome Sorento. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.